First of all, most people have no talent. Not only on YouTube, but especially this generation we have. You have people out there doing videos about modern dating and teaching you fast success and teaching you so many things while not teaching you anything actually about life. So, I'm here now in this crib. I don't have enough privacy, but I know I have an audience to help. So that's why I'm making this video because I feel like it's really urgent. I gotta bring out this message. I gotta somehow bring it across, make it understandable for you how serious the situation is and how serious the situation is on YouTube right now and in society and in culture. Let's dive straight into it. Okay, so let's actually look at my notes. What is the main issue we are facing right now in society and on YouTube? Because YouTube is showing you basically what's going on in people's minds, whether it's in dating or in social dynamics, how people socialize. You can see it if you pay attention. What really is going on, I feel like, is that there is an ever increasing amount of people out there, men and women, who simply have failed to understand many things. One of those things being dating. One of those things being just being a human being and living life. Why do we have so many people out there signing up on those online platforms, Nomad Table and stuff like that, and trying to make friends? Yeah, it is simply because people have mislearned the art of making friends, talking to the opposite sex, meaning if you're a woman talking to a man, if you're a man talking to a woman, people have just all mislearned it. I recently have seen a video. It would spark outrage among people whom I usually spend time with, which are police officers, which are soldiers, elite soldiers. Whenever I get the time to spend time with them, it's been a while. It's been a while since I had the opportunity to spend time with them. But look, it's not about that. What it is about is there was this person, I'm not going to say who or the name or whatever, and he recorded this video where he basically, in a nutshell, you can see that video, what today's society is about. I'm not even going to say the video title, but I'm going to give you an idea what it is about. You have maybe seen videos on YouTube right now going viral who have no thumbnails, who have not even a good title, who are just authentic content. I don't mind authentic content. But here's the thing that I do mind, definitely. It is people who are basically doing nothing with their life, posting videos online and making money with it, getting views, getting likes, going viral, getting revenue, a lot of revenue. Meanwhile, there's hardworking creators like me, and I'm certainly not the only one. There's many others out there. Good thumbnails, good title, good description, good SEOs, keywords, and we don't quite get the revenue. Or do we? Well, some of us do sometimes, some of us don't sometimes. It's the algorithm. The algorithm doesn't show you what it thinks that you might like. Because the algorithm changes. Why? I'll explain it to you. Nobody's speaking about this on YouTube, I think. Because nobody has the insight into this society and culture on this level, I feel like. Gonna be careful how I express this. So let's look for my notes further. Okay, picture this. You have a society of young people who are lost, who have no idea how to make friends, how to talk to each other, how to date, how to get laid. It's international by now. It's not just it's not just in America anymore. It's international. We have seen it with shootings, terrorist attacks. It's going international. So making fun of America? No more. Now America is making fun of you. Because you were making fun of America 5, 10 years ago. Now we make fun of you. But anyway, different story. Because now you are facing the same stuff, exactly the same stuff we are facing now in our own country, and probably 10 times worse. And we know how to get ourselves out of it. But you probably do not know how to get yourself out of the situation you're in now that I'm describing, where you have people, to cut to the chase, to really bring it to the point, because my video style is provocative. It should not make you happy. It should get you, I want to get you to think, to see what's going on in society, what's going on around you. And what's going on around you, honestly, what's going on around you is quite scary. You have people posting faceless content. You have people doing AI content. You have people posting really meaningless shit on YouTube who do not deserve a penny. But the algorithm is like, hey, if these people, the majority, if they want to watch that, then there is nothing we can do against that. Then we are going to push that, and people are going to watch that. So people will watch it. So it's not the algorithm's fault. Whose fault it is? It is yours. So that means if the algorithm sees that there is content out there you want to watch, and it doesn't matter if YouTube considers it meaningless. The only thing that matters is one thing: whether there is people out there who are willing to watch that content. And if enough people are willing to watch that content, then YouTube will push it. And that's where the problem starts. But where it ends is where we as a society change, which is difficult because most people don't want to change. They want to stay the same. They want to keep on doing the same stuff. So if you want to ask yourself in a nutshell, to answer it in one sentence, why is there people who are not so successful on YouTube, who deserve to be successful, but people who are very successful on YouTube, some of them, but who do not deserve to be successful? Why is it? It's because the vast majority of society craves mainstream stuff. That's why.